Hello, this is your boy Miguel from Mobile 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. Working on a compressor on a 5.4 Ford, and you know exactly how hard they are when it comes to getting the high and low lines off. It's not that hard either. There's actually a secret. You go under the vehicle, you take out the 1, 2, 3 bolts. This one right here, you're going to have to put it in when you put it back in, because you're not going to be able to fit it as soon as you put the compressor in. But the problem is getting to the AC lines from under the vehicle. That is the issue. It is not an issue actually. If you have the F-150 with the electrical fans, all you have to do is come on this side right here. This is the condenser. Come on that side, take that 10mm bolt off. There is a line, you come up here that's sitting right there, which is this line right here. And once you unbolt those two lines, you can actually grab the line, and I'm only have one hand, but you will finesse the whole entire compressor. And you can see, oh, you have to unplug the high pressure line sensor, which is right here. I'm pushing my hand on it now. And then from there, you can actually pull the whole compressor out, like you can see I have right now. The whole compressor will come out, and then you take the air box off, and then you finesse it the whole way through, and you can pull it out right here in this area. This will save you probably about 2 hours of busting your knuckles and going crazy, because the problem is getting to those two lines down there, trying to get them off with the compressor on it. Let me know how that works out for you. But we didn't have to do any of that stuff. All we had to do is just unbolt the bottom, unbolt this line right here, come to the condenser, unbolt right there. And now you should be able to do this within half an hour, getting the compressor in your hand. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave positive comments. Thank you.